Alright, I just wanted to make this quick video going over, a virtual unboxing, right? So, I've just bought 330 packs, because, if you saw my last video, the prices on legendaries I think are too high, so I'm trying to get some legendaries out of this. Maybe some golds, who knows, let's see. And, I love the new bulk option that they implemented, so let's see what I got. Open all packs. And this computer that I'm on is a little bit slower than my usual one. Alright. That's interesting. Oh, there we go. Ooh. What do we got? We got one. I got a legendary. Ooh, I got a gold SteemMonster guy. That's pretty cool. That's probably worth the whole purchase right there. And I got some on epic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rare golds. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 20 gold commons. Alright, I'm going to break this up actually. Because this is pretty fucking cool. And okay. What was it? 9 gold rares? I already forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. 9 gold rare. 20 gold. Sort of gold epic. That'd be cool. Let's see. 330 packs. Alright. And then we scroll down. Let's see. I got 2 regular Seleniums guy. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 regular legendaries. And then that's a whole bunch of other stuff. I got epic warriors, I got servants of the flame, more epics, more epics, more epics. And so yeah, I spent a lot of money on this, like 350 something Steam, and let's see. I mean, the Selenius guy is probably worth almost that much by itself, and these other ones will kind of cover that cost. And then all these other things are just gravy, which is just awesome. All right. Apologies for the slow scrolling in video here. I got 50 Silver Shield Warriors. I was definitely low on those, so that's good. But yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so that's all I had. But I hope you enjoyed that almost as much as I did. I think I got the better end of the deal, but we'll see.